Email autoresponder tips. Want to grow your business with email marketing? Whether you're new to email automation or looking to improve your strategy, today I'll walk you through how to create an email autoresponder series that builds trust, engages your audience, and boosts your sales. Let's dive in. Autoresponders are a game changer for email marketing. They work 24/7 to deliver value to your subscribers, helping you build trust and convert leads into customers. Plus, they save you time by automating your communication. Here's why they're essential for your business. The first email sets the tone for your relationship with your subscribers. Use this opportunity to introduce yourself, share your values, and explain what they can expect from your emails. First impressions matter, so make it personal and engaging. Your second email should provide immediate value. Address a common problem your audience faces and offer actionable advice. By doing this, you position yourself as a trusted resource in your niche. Remember, it's all about helping your audience first. In your third email, take it a step further by sharing additional resources. This could include free guides, tutorials, or tools. You can also subtly introduce your products or affiliate links as part of the solution. Just make sure the focus is on value. By the fourth email, you can gently pitch your product or service. Focus on how it solves a specific problem for your audience. Keep it conversational and low pressure. Use a PS section to include your product link. It's a great way to make the pitch feel natural. Building trust doesn't stop after the first few emails. Keep nurturing your list by sharing more valuable content, testimonials, and success stories. The key is to stay consistent and make your subscribers feel like they're part of a community. Got questions about autoresponders? Here are some quick answers. What's an autoresponder? It's a series of automated emails sent to your subscribers. How often should you send them? Space them out over a few days or weeks. Can any email platform do this? Yes, most ESPs like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and Aweber have this feature. Autoresponders are a powerful tool for growing your email list and boosting sales. By following these steps, you'll create an engaging series that builds trust and turns subscribers into loyal customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on email marketing and business growth. Start building your autoresponder series today.
For details, visit the website mentions below in description.